Welcome to the Database Sync tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will cover how to sync data between VGS5 and the cloud-based server. Only the blue syncable folders, which were previously downloaded from the server, can be synced. Users are restricted to syncing and downloading folders that they have been given access to by their database administrator.
To sync, the device must first be connected to the internet. Click File, Database, then Sync. Log in using the same username and password as your VGS Online account. If you are already signed in, you will be asked to continue. In the Sync window, select Start to begin the sync. Select Yes at the prompt to make a backup. The status bar at the top of the sync window tells you which part of the sync process is being completed. When the sync process is complete, confirm Yes to save all changes. This process may take several minutes depending on internet speed and how much data you are syncing. The sync window will close, and the sync is now complete.
Conflict resolution is built into the syncing process so that users can correct minor discrepancies that occurred during the data collection process. An example is when an event in the site already exists and is synced to the server, but the person collecting data on Transect 2 accidentally collected the data on Transect 1. Conflict resolution will show that the data was collected on the same transect twice, and will give the user the option to switch the transect number to the correct transect. If the conflict cannot be resolved during the sync, the user should cancel the sync, correct the problem, then reattempt to sync. Please contact the VGS Dev team if you are unable to resolve the conflict.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.